have you in my life, guiding my spiritual soul and habits. To my teachers, thank you for believing in me when I didn't even believe in myself. Your words, your patience, your guidance, it all my pain. You didn't just teach us subjects. You taught us how to believe in ourselves and step out of our comfort zones. To Mom Carms, thank you so much. I am grateful to have you as a travel advisor. You never pressured us to meet every requirement, but instead you guided us with patience, with understanding. And now I say this from the bottom of my heart, babawi po ako. Because you believe in us, and I'll keep doing my best, not just for myself, but for the team and for you. And to Ate Lee, saka sa mga tao nag-inspire sa akin na magpatuloy. Alam natin na mahirap at nakapapagod. Pero sabi mo, hindi mo sila kayang tulong. Hindi mo kayang ilang yung mga bata. At yung salita na yun, yung tumatak sa puso ko. Kahit iniwan ka na nila, nandiyan ka pa rin. Nagpatuloy ka. Saka mabuting tinunod. Tumayo ka, hindi para akinin ang posisyon na meron ka ngayon, kundi para pahalagaan ang ginagawa mo bilang parte ng organisasyon. Pinatunayan mo na hindi handa ang mga taong na-discourage sa'yo. Nagpatuloy ka at tumayo ka sa tama. I am proud of you, my SCN. Maraming salamat. To my friends, Jan, Kim, Andrea, Michelle, Tiaran, Atichel, Calvin, Tyler, DJ, Yo, Gab, Alexis, Ivan, Veronica, thank you for being with me this school year. Especially my whole section diamond. Each one of you left a mark on me. We laughed, we cried, we shared secrets, and sometimes even silence. We grow together, and we have started as a stranger, a transferee who didn't know where should I belong. But because of you, I found a place, a purpose, and a second family. Every job, every group activity, every assignment and commitment has a place in my heart. You made this school feel like home. Even the awkward moments, even the heartbreaks, they hold us near. To the one that I admire, thank you so much for inspiring me in entire ways. To all completers, I know there were times we said, ayoko na, napagod na ako. But look at you now. You didn't give up. Every okay na to, you whisper while barely holding it together. You're so good. You proved that even when things got tough, you kept going. We kept going. We all did it. And that is something to be proud of. Let's allow ourselves to keep learning, falling, and getting back up again. Never stop believing. I prove it to you. There were moments when I prayed, Lord, allow me to be among those who earn high honors, not for the recognition alone, but for the opportunity to rise, to overcome, and to show my way. Trust in God, for He sees the beauty in your heart and the strength within you. He gave me more than I asked for. And even when the world feels ruined, keep holding on to hope. Even and love the words, mag-aaral ako para makapagtapos. Be the only mindset we hold on to. Let's change that. Let's say, mag-aaral ako para matuto. Because the lesson we learn, not just from textbook, but from our life, from ourselves, from others, will carry us farther than any diploma ever could. Education is not just about reaching the end, it's about the journey. It's about discovering our strengths, embracing our weaknesses, and growing through every challenge. Life will always teach us more than what we can learn in classroom. But that doesn't mean we stop learning. I may not know what tomorrow holds, but I know this. We made it here together. And whatever comes next, we'll face it with the same courage, the same faith, and the same fire that got us to this very moment. This is our time. This is our story. And it's only just beginning. To batch 2024 to 2025, congratulations! Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang bawat isa sa atin.
She was giving us a dramatic message with content wherein all of us are actually, feeling sad. With that, I believe Ms. Crayon deserves a big round of applause. As a
Pledge of Loyalty.
The Pledge of Loyalty.
We, the completers of Don Bosco High School, Parañaque, do solemnly pledge to render our unswerving loyalty and devotion to our school, uphold its noble traditions and ideals, and to bring glory and dignity to her name. By practicing with utmost efforts, honesty and efficiency, our chosen vocation for the advancement, well-being, and prosperity of our country, the Philippines. So God help us all. You may now lower your right hand.
In every treasured moments, songs are always there to embody a wide range of life